Hi there, welcome back with the last Sudoku in today's edition of the newspaper on Friday, September the 11th, 2020. The last Sudoku is a tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. So let's get started. Let me position the camera. Yes, alright. This one will be number 1511. So let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here one single box. The single box is always one. We have also a dual box, 1 and a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Also a dual box, 1 and a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 goes here and the 1 goes here. Dual box, 1 and a 2. I cannot fill this yet. So I mark them, 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. Do we have a triple box? No. I see here 2 boxes left in this area. The 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them, 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. We have a 4 here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes should be for the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them, 1 and the 3. I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any one in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3. And this should be a 1. Let me see. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so it must be a 4. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, we have a 1 here and 1 there, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. The 2 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in these 3 boxes. So it must be a 5. This should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box should be a 5. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it must be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them. Three and a 5. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 2 here and 2 there. That means this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 cannot be here. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Another box should be the 5. Here we have a 1. This cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 3. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So this box should be the 2. 3 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. That means that this box cannot be a 3. that box can also not be a 3. I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 5. 2 boxes left, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 3. 3 boxes left. This box cannot be a 4, that box cannot be 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 3 and a 5 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 5 goes there. Finished in 10 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.